Hey Mike, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads, which will also help you to not have to use those those paid lead services like Home Advisor and Angie's. So 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So it is really important your website actually be optimized to capture that traffic. All right, so we're on your website. You have a secured website, so that's good. That's really important. Good job. Let's see. Click on any thumbnail below for additional information. Use home to navigate. Okay, that didn't do anything. Okay. So you have interlinking pages. What about services? Okay. Mold, water. Okay. You are the boss. Okay. So your website is ranked based on content, and your homepage does not have any content. Content is key. You need 1,500 words or more of content on your homepage, depending on what your competitors are doing. So if your competitors have more than 1,500 words of content, you need more than they have. And your homepage should be a brief summary of each of your services and focused on those local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching in Google for your services, and you need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. It's good that you have separate pages for each of your services, so that's good. Now, I clicked on water. Oh, okay. So you have some images, but really still not a lot of content. You need to have these pages with content so that you can focus on those keywords. You're going to need a good amount of content on each of these service pages, focusing on those local buyer intent keywords. And you want to make sure that each page has their own original content and that they're going after their own local keywords. Do not duplicate content and do not duplicate keywords because Google will penalize you for it. And if you're servicing several different areas, you should add service area pages as well so that you can be found organically for each of your services in those communities. Those would be like mini home pages with summaries of your services and keywords specific for the service in that location. Now, if we look at your top competitor for water damage in your area, we have ARI. They have a decent site. They have the separate pages for each of their services. They're going after regional keywords. They have more content than you guys do. They don't have nearly enough content though. So you definitely need more content than these guys do. And you need to focus that content on those relevant buyer intent keywords. These guys are also missing the boat on service area pages. So they're missing out on a ton of customers as well. So to beat these guys will be fairly simple, but you have to work on that content and keyword strategy and support your website with SEO. So here we are. You have a rating of a 1.7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that's 100% based on backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal, so you only want to get authoritative do-follow links so that they share the power of the high-ranking sites, give you authority, and help you to rank. If we look, only 7 of your links are do-follows, so you only have 7 links doing anything to help your website. You have it indexed for 55 keywords, but you're only getting 8 people to your website per month. If we look at your keywords, you do have a couple local keywords, but majority of your keywords are national, which do not help you because you're not servicing the entire country. So you're going to get false people coming to your website and leaving. You want to focus on local traffic so that the people landing on your website can convert into customers. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 7 with 153 backlinks, 36 referring domains. Of those, only 14 are do follows. So you only have to beat their 14 referring domains. They've only been indexed for 82 keywords, and they're only getting 38 people to their website. So they're missing out on a ton of customers as well. They're going to be super easy to beat, but you do have to work on the strategies that I mentioned. And the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search in the maps and don't search anywhere else. So when you're not listed here, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be listed in the top 3, there are several factors. But the most important are citations, and that's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you need more of those than your competition. Now, when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 in your service area for all of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.